DC House, a project by ARquitectos, is a stunning example of architectural integration with the natural landscape. Situated in La Pankana, the house takes full advantage of its 180-degree panoramic view of Córdoba. The architects ingeniously connected the building's functions to the land's topography. The top floor, dedicated to social activities, is designed to be open and inviting. The living, dining, and kitchen areas flow seamlessly into each other, creating a spacious and airy environment. The inclusion of verandas and a pool further enhances the connection to the outdoors. The vertical core, housing the main staircase, is bathed in natural light from an internal courtyard. This central element not only provides a functional connection between floors, but also serves as a striking visual focal point. The ground floor, reserved for private spaces, showcases a more secluded and intimate atmosphere. The main bedroom, complete with a dressing room and ensuite bathroom, occupies the east side. On the south side, a secondary bedroom, a bathroom, and an office are connected by a hallway that also houses the floor's service areas. The architectural language of the DC house is a harmonious blend of materials. The interplay of iron, concrete, and stone creates a sense of solidity and permanence, while also highlighting the building's relationship to its natural surroundings. The secondary volumes are strategically merged, emphasizing the purity of the ground floor's primary volume. In conclusion, the DC house is a testament to the power of thoughtful design. By seamlessly integrating the building's functions with the land's topography and by employing a striking material palette, the architects have created a truly exceptional residence that celebrates the beauty of both the natural and the built environment. In this video, we explored the DC house, a stunning architectural masterpiece in Córdoba, Argentina. Designed by ARquitectos, the house seamlessly integrates the building's functions with the land's topography, creating a truly exceptional living space. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more architecture and design content. Thank you for watching.